Welcome to today's cooking lab, where we will be exploring Korean cuisine. In this video, we will be making bibimbap, vegetables sautéed with brown rice and some sort of protein on top. Today, we will use an egg. Some key ingredients are sesame oil, soy sauce, and gochujang, but today we'll be using sriracha instead. Let's review our mise en place. Please remember to wash your hands before starting any food preparation. Alright, it's time to sauté your vegetables. So, in a large nonstick pan over medium heat, add half a teaspoon of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, add carrots and 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce. Stir the carrots for 2 to 3 minutes until they start to wilt. Then, transfer the cooked carrots into a small mixing bowl and keep them aside. Using the same pan, repeat step 1 for your zucchini. Repeat again for your mushrooms. And now do the same thing for your bean sprouts. Using the same pan, it's time to fry the egg. Let's take a closer look at this. The egg turns from clear to white when it hits the pan. Why? Egg whites contain protein. The protein structure is globular and tied up. Think like a ball of rubber bands. When the egg white is heated, the shape of the protein is affected and it unravels. Think of the rubber bands unraveling. We see the color white because the unraveled proteins reflect more light back into our eyes, registering as white color. Science is cool! You can use a spatula to lift the edges of the egg to help you flip it. Let's take a look at that again. Place your egg to the side, and then now it's time to assemble. Have your rice prepared according to the instructions on the package. It's time to assemble. Now that we've prepared all of the parts of our bowl, it's time to assemble the bibimbap. Mix sesame oil into your rice. The rice will be the base of the dish. Then add your assortment of vegetables. Top with your fried egg. Garnish your dish with sesame seeds. And voila! You've just created a beautiful bibimbap. Remember to send us a photo of your bibimbap creation. Here are some photos of some past participant creations.